Today we are going to be removing valve seals. Now, they make a special tool to do this, but I'm just going to use these pliers and a socket. This is for the 2.0 ABA8 valve for a Volkswagen, but I've seen it work for the 1.8T engine, and I'm assuming it works for the other earlier Volkswagen engines as well. So you're going to see your little valve seal down there. You're going to grip onto it, work your way back and forth, and it pops out. Now, to get the new ones in, I'm using this extension with a 11 millimeter socket, and it fits right over it, just like that. And then you can press the new one in. So as you can see, that's down there. This fits over perfectly. And then I'm going to take like the end of a screwdriver and tap on the top of this until this seats. I hope you find this information helpful, and if you do, please like the video and consider subscribing.